welcome to my channel. It's my friend
Joanna.
So today I'll be showing us how to make an easy egg in the microwave. So before we get on with the video, make sure to subscribe, like and share the video and comment on all those things and say subscribe. So let's get started. So the ingredients and the things that you need to make an egg in the microwave is a plate that can go in the microwave,
A fork or spoon. We're just using a fork.
then you need the main ingredient, an egg.
And then you need some butter. You can also use canola oil.
Then you need like a cap thing for your plate so it doesn't pop.
And these stuff are optional. Some salt
Pepper.
and chili.
So yeah, so let's begin. So we're gonna get started on making the egg. So Joanna's gonna put the butter in first.
You hold the fork.
Okay, I'll help her. Okay,
Okay,
Need that?
enough?
yeah. Then you.
Yeah, just wrap it a little bit
Okay,
there.
there. Now she's
Mhm.
gonna. Okay, now she's gonna do. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You can use canola oil. We just use butter because I think it tastes better than canola oil. So now we're gonna be using some using a fork to crack the egg now. Crack.
I can see some of like
The thing.
yeah, like not the yolk, the
Yeah.
other bits of the egg.
Yeah, the white. I don't know. It's like a white thing. I forgot the name of it.
It's a little more clear than white.
Yeah, it's like clear.
In real life, it's actually clear, not really white.
Yeah. So, Joanna, do you want to mix it now?
Yeah. I think you can mix the rest.
Now, do you want to put salt in? I'm going to just help her because I don't want to put too much salt in
It's
the
really
egg.
hard to get the salt out.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Okay. So, yeah. So, you can use a little bit of salt if you want, or you can use as many salt as you want.
We're using all the ingredients.
Yeah,
so
you don't
optional.
have. Yeah, you don't have to use all of them. So yeah. So I'm gonna put some pepper, a little bit more pepper. Okay, pepper. Done. Mix.
I love the smell of pepper. I just can't resist it.
The chili. It's hard to open the chili. It's probably because remember when we cracked the egg. Okay, we got it. It was so tight. So you can put, if you like spicy things, you can put a lot. I like spicy things, so I'm putting a lot in there. Not that much, like a little bit, because I don't want it to be too spicy or too like.
I love spicy, not as like the spicy stuff in the whole world.
Yeah.
Just normal spicy, and it's spicy, but not the so super spicy.
So yeah. I did a little bit spicy, not that spicy. Because I don't like too
It sort of
spicy.
looks red now.
Yeah, because of the pepper.
Yeah.
So we'll show you
You mean
guys.
the chili?
Yeah, the chili. I'll show you guys here. This is the egg after. Now we'll see you guys after we put the egg in the microwave. So this is the egg after it's cooked for 50 seconds.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, and if it's not like cooked and like if it's like not cooked in the middle of things like that, make sure to put it for 5 more seconds or 10 more seconds. Or if you don't mind it, just eat it like that. So yeah, so it turned out good. Yeah, and it's really good. And you can use canola oil, but it doesn't stick in now. Look,
Yeah.
like it doesn't stick. I don't know. I think it doesn't stick if you put canola oil too. So yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you subscribe, like and share the video and comment on all those things and say subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye.